Lightning delivery. Delivered on the next day. Good package. Installation is simple. Overall it's a good product, the quality is also good. Smooth running experience with good songs from the speaker. It was indeed a very good product with good durability. It had a very good sync with the GFit app. The learning courses in the GFit app were very useful in planning the training course. Auto inclination worked like charm. Overall a very good and value for the money purchase. Nice product, simple to use. This treadmill is awesome at low price, look was fabulous and features is awesome too. Excellent treadmill with powerful motor. With a speed 16. Professional treadmill. It works very good, no sound, smooth powerful motor too. 25 horsepower. One can trust the brand and can go for it. Very good and powerful. Using about 2 months. No problem. Some noise coming but it's natural for this kind of machine. Fitkit customer support also very kind and helpful. They called me several times to know how the product is doing. Or is there any problems. Overall very nice and sturdy product with good after-sale customer support. I am writing this review after using this product for more than 2 days. It's perfect for family use. Nothing can be more worth than a good health of our family. It's easy and foldable so takes less space. Good sound quality, great control, shock absorber and many more nice features it has. It's gonna be a long-term health partner. Price is also less compared to the other products in market with same configuration. Excellent product. Value for money 5 star for product, 5 star for INSTALLATION. 1 delivery of the treadmill within 48 hours, 2 installation within 24 hours, free installation, 3 excellent after sales service. Customer care people called me up for free installation and to inquire whether the treadmill was running well and whether there was any problem, and has WhatsApp number also. They send me videos of the treadmill on request. 4. The build quality is up to the mark, the speakers in the console are low. Good product and quality. Additional massager is great add-on. Install GFit app and can start standard plan or make you own. Track your running. If you need a good quality treadmill at a perfect price point when compared to others available in the market, go for this. Perfect product, very good support from the team, regular touch point via WhatsApp and call. Very helpful. Good for home workout, easy to install. Perfect for domestic user. Awesome. Recently started using it. Should see how long it works nicely. Features are good. Pros. 1. Speed is good and inclination works perfect. 2. Fan and speaker sound are normal. 3. Massager, twister and dumbbells are +4. No sound or noise even at high speed and inclination. 5. Too many programs and features which makes it a great deal. Cons. 1. Installation has to be more quick. May be delayed due to my location. Overall a great product at good deal from Amazon and Fitkit. Can't ask for more features. Winking face. Bought FitKit on December 2019 and after 1 month use, it's really great and smooth, motor works fine and all other devices components are working fine. Best buy if you want a home workout treadmill. The sound output speaker which came built in must have some more quality. Overall 9.5/10. Superb treadmill. Edited my review after 3-month uses. Very nice working treadmill. Customer service is good, even then are ready to help on WhatsApp. Easy to use and maintenance. A treadmill which fits right into your sub 30k budget. One that has auto lubrication mechanism, a walking area fair enough for joggers, an included speaker system that allows playing you some beats during your workouts, shock absorption and a sturdy framework that easily handles weight till 120 kgs and it folds when you need some space while this bean. Oh, did I mention the Bluetooth pairing ability within this treadmill via G-Fit app on your Android, iOS device, which by the way has some cool courses to walk, jog and run to. PS I couldn't wait to get started, so watched out the manual and the installation video here on Amazon, and the installation team was courteous enough to acknowledge my excitement and still helped in installing the massager unit. Delivery was excellent. All parts well packed with due care. Easy installation. Was thinking of using the toll-free number to get it installed, but then could easily install at home ourselves with the help of my daughter and wife. Yes, it was that easy since most of the machine comes ready. The controls are very user-friendly. Overall a good decision. We bought this treadmill. Using almost since last few months. Good for regular cardio. SE installation. Good customer service. Fan is only for namesake. And heart rate is also not appropriate. Overall happy purchase. Delivered product is different from the one shown in the video. The shocker shown in the video is missing from the legs. The twister is of very inferior quality. Very good treadmill at such a low price. Massager also works well. Treadmill has auto inclination with multiple preset modes and GFIT app gives many more modes of workout. Customer support team also is very much reliable and can expect a swift response every time you get to them. Really happy that I bought this treadmill. In conclusion, I suggest everyone to not look back once you thought of buying this. Superb. Very nice product so far. Just got it. Perfect for home. Click link in description for more reviews.